Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file SARS tax returns online, updated. First, gather your SARS eFiling login, ID number, income documents, and bank details. Next, log into SARS eFiling, select the relevant return type, and follow the step-by-step prompts to complete fields. Make sure to review totals, attach required supporting documents, and submit before the deadline to avoid penalties. If you get stuck, use the help resources or contact SARS support for guidance. Start by checking your tax documents and noting income, deductions, and tax credits you will claim. Create or confirm your SARS e-filing profile and ensure your contact details are current. Use a secure connection and save all passwords in a safe manager. When completing, fields match figures to your official documents and double-check bank details for refunds or payments before final submission. If you need professional help, consult a tax practitioner for complex returns. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I used. They keep receipts and snacks tidy during paperwork. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and consider a small notebook to track numbers while you file. Enjoy better organization and fewer distractions. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Watch for common errors like incorrect ID numbers, wrong tax years, or missing attachments that delay processing. Avoid math mistakes by using calculators and cross-checking totals against your documents. Ensure you classify income correctly between employment, interest, and capital gains. If a discrepancy appears after submission, use SARS e-filing to make amendments or contact SARS to resolve issues promptly, and keep records of all correspondence and confirmations. This helps if SARS questions your return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.